Welcome back to our series on probability theory. I'm Mark Ledbetter. This is lecture video 22. We're going to talk about the hypergeometric distribution, part 2, and finish it up today. If you're hearing something in the background, that's a little thunder. We'll just try to ignore that. We're going to, last time we talked about the hypergeometric distribution function. We introduced the mean and the variance without a proof. But I did give you a source where you can go to see those derivations if you're interested. This time we're just going to do an example. So we'll keep this short and sweet and hopefully help you understand how to do this. So in a small pond there are 50 fish, 10 of which have been tagged. If a fisherman is going to catch 7 fish at random and without replacement, what's the probability that exactly 2 are tagged fish? Well, that means that the category N1 is for the category that has N1 items is going to be the 10 fish. Okay, so that means N2 is going to be 40, right? And N is going to be 50. Little n is 7, and X is 2. So we just simply plug in N1, choose X. N1 is 10, choose 2. N2 is 40, so choose 5. Now, I didn't point this out last time, but I want to point it out this time. Notice that this number in the top and this number in the top add up to this number in the top. And this number on the bottom and this number on the bottom add up to this number on the bottom. So there's some kind of practical ways we can see if we filled this in right. Okay, so again we have N choose 2, so 10 tagged, 2, we're wanting to know of the 7 caught, do we have exactly 2 of them are tagged? So that means that out of the 40 that are not tagged, we caught 5 of them, so that's here. And then out of the 50 total fish, we caught 7. And so we put in these numbers here and we get this, and it just keeps going. There's lots of different numbers, and rounding to 4 decimal places we get 0.2964. So about 30% chance that 2 of them are going to be tagged. Now, what's the expected number of tagged fish out of 7? So again, we're going to take little n times n1 over the total sample size or population size n, and so we have 7 times 10 over 50, which is 70/5 or 7/5, and that is 1.4. So 1.4 fish on average out of 7. Of course, you can't have 0.4 fish that are tagged, but this is over the long haul. It's an average. And we want to know the standard deviation. Don't forget, for the standard deviation, take the square root. So here's our formula under the square root for the variance. We fill that in. We get these numbers, and it turns out that that's 0.9914. So the standard deviation is a little less than 1 tagged fish. All right, I hope that has helped you know how to use the hypergeometric function and helps you with the problems. Don't forget to scan your lecture notes for this before midnight on the date listed in the course calendar. And there's not really much for you to update since we just did a example. If you have questions, please come to virtual office hours. If you can't do that, email me. But again, email me a picture of the problem and a picture of your work. If you send me both, I'll be able to help you a lot better and a lot faster. Take care, and we will see you next time.